This is how to grow your hair faster using a tiny roller in under 5 minutes a week. You don't need a fancy salon, you don't need expensive treatments, and no weird TikTok hacks. Just this one simple tool that can actually wake up your scalp and help your hair grow stronger. Let me show you exactly how it works. Hey loves, I'm Iman, and today I'm breaking down one of my favorite hair growth tools ever, the Dermaroller. You've probably seen it all over TikTok or YouTube, right? But these little rollers that look kind of scary, but people swear by them for hair growth, including myself. But here's the question, do you really know how it works? Because once you'll understand why this tiny roller actually helped your hair grow, you'll look at your hair care routine completely differently. And trust me, it's not just hype. It's based on real science, and when you use it the right way, it can transform your scalp health and boost hair growth naturally. So let's go over the simple steps that show you exactly how a Dermaroller works and how you can use it at home to get thicker, fuller hair you'll love. Step 1, what a Dermaroller actually does. Okay, first thing first, what is this little thing? A Dermaroller is basically a small handle with a round head covered in tiny needles. But don't freak out, they're super short, they're super safe, and they're designed for your skin. And your scalp is skin as well. Here's how it works. When you gently roll it on your scalp, those tiny needles create tiny holes in your skin. Little micro punctures that you can barely feel. Now your skin thinks, uh-oh, something's happening, let's fix it. So your body immediately sends more blood, oxygen, and nutrients to your scalp to repair those tiny injuries. That's actually great news because that extra blood flow feeds your hair follicles, giving them the energy, the nutrients they need to grow new, healthy strands. Think of it like giving your scalp a mini workout. The more you do it, the stronger and healthier your scalp gets. Imagine you're watering a garden. If the soil is dry and compact, nothing grows. But if you poke little holes in the soil and then water it, that water goes deeper and reaches the root. That's exactly what we're doing with the Dermaroller. It opens little channels so nutrients, oils, and serums can go deeper into the skin right where your hair grows from. And over time, you'll start to see those tiny baby hairs popping around your hairline or crown, and that's your sign it's working. When those tiny punctures happen, your body produces collagen and activates growth factors. These are the same things that make your skin heal after a cut, and they also tell your hair follicles, hey, wake up! We need you to grow. That's why this tool is used not just for hair, but also for skin rejuvenation, acne scars like mine, and even beard growth. According to dermatologists, dermarolling, also called microneedling, helps by boosting circulation to the scalp, improving product absorption, stimulating dormant follicles to restart growth, and here's the best part. It's completely non-invasive and you can do it right at home in just a few minutes. So yeah, this tiny roller is more powerful than it looks. Now that you know what it does, let's talk about how to actually use it properly, because how you use it really matters. And if you do it wrong, you might irritate your scalp or not get any results. If you follow these steps, you'll set yourself up for serious hair growth wins. So number 1, always start with a clean scalp. If you have oils, dirt, or product buildup, it can block your pores and prevent your Dermaroller from doing its job. So wash your hair before you start, or at least make sure your scalp is clean and dry. This step is non-negotiable. Before and after every use, disinfect your roller. You can spray it with rubbing alcohol or soak it for about 5 minutes. Why? Because bacteria can hide on the needles, and the last thing you want to do is cause inflammation or infection on the scalp. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You wouldn't reuse a dirty toothbrush. Well, I hope anyway. So it's the same idea here. Now here's the fun part. Start rolling gently on your scalp in small sections. Roll front to back, side to side, and then diagonally to make sure you're covering the whole area. But you don't need to press very hard. In fact, pressing too hard can actually hurt your scalp, but you should feel a mild tingling, not a pain. It's like giving your scalp a little wake-up call. It shouldn't be a punishment. So you should do it for about 5 minutes in total, and that's it for just 5 minutes. You don't need to overdo it because over-rolling can cause irritation and slow down healing. Remember, it's about being gentle and consistent, not aggressive. Small routine done better weekly gives better results than a painful one done daily. Clean it again and store it safely. Once you're done, rinse your roller in warm water, disinfect it again and let it dry. Store it in a protective case so needles stay clean and sharp. It's simple, right? But doing these small things consistently makes all the difference. Now, when you roll your scalp, you've opened up those tiny micro channels, and that means this is the perfect time to feed your scalp with something powerful. And that brings us to Boosting growth with the right serum. So this is the secret step that makes all the difference. After dermarolling, your scalp is like a sponge, ready to drink up whatever you put on it. And that's why I always use an Essence serum right after rolling. The one I personally use is the Essence Scalp Mist by my own brand, Syra Hair. It's made with plant stem cells like turmeric stem cells that feeds nutrients to your hair, wild olive fruit stem cells, rosemary oil for circulation, niacinamide for circulation, all natural, and Capilla Longa has been backed by clinical studies. It's reduced hair loss by 89% and doubled hair thickness. So using it after microneedling is going to maximize your results. When you apply it right after rolling, those ingredients can go deeper into your scalp, reaching the hair follicles directly. And that's why your hair grows faster and stronger compared to using it alone. A lot of my customers have seen baby hairs in just a few weeks. And someone even said that they went to their hairdressers and their hairdresser said that their hair looks healthier and thicker than it has ever been. Massaging it gently for 2 to 3 minutes boosts circulation even more. Plus, it's a relaxing spa-like treatment. Avoid these common mistakes. Now, I want you to make sure that you don't fall into the traps that many people do when using a Dermaroller. So these small mistakes can slow down your result or even irritate your scalp. So here are the top mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1 is using it too often. More does not equal better. Your scalp needs time to heal between sessions, and rolling once a week is perfect. Too much can cause redness, irritation, even damage follicles. Mistake number 2 is rolling on dirty hair. We've spoken about this before, but if your scalp is oily or it has product buildup, bacteria can get into those micro injuries and it can lead to breakouts. So always clean your scalp before rolling. Mistake number 3 is pressing too hard. You're not sanding your scalp. Light pressure is more than enough. And if you feel pain, you're pressing too hard. If you have small blood spots, that's okay, but the area should go red. That means you're doing it correctly. Mistake number 4 is skipping serums or using harsh chemicals. After rolling, your scalp is super sensitive, so don't use alcohol, heavy tonics, or harsh oils, or even minoxidil. Stick with gentle, nourishing topicals like the Essence Scalp Mist or our Radiance Hair Oil. Mistake number 5 is giving up too soon. Hair growth takes patience. Most people notice baby hairs around 4 to 6 weeks, plus fuller results by 12 weeks. Consistency is more important than instant results. Make this part of your weekly routine, put a reminder on your phone, and trust the process. Step 5, stay consistent and make it a ritual. Here's the secret no one tells you. So hair growth isn't just about tools, it's about your habits. Make dermarolling part of your self-care routine and pick a day each week. I pick Sunday because it's my relaxing day and I can play my favorite podcast or playlist, roll, and just be really mindful in the moment. When you create a habit or a ritual, it's easier to stay consistent and your results will reflect that. Oh, and really important, take photos every week. Seeing small changes keeps you motivated and reminds you that consistency pays off. After using the Glow Dermaroller, Nora said, I suffered from postpartum hair loss. I've been using the Dermaroller for a few months and I've got my thick, beautiful hair back. I'm so happy. These stories show that it works when done right. And it's not just for edges, it's for overall scalp health and thickness. And a bald spot at the back of her head. Myths about hair growth. So let's bust some common hair growth myths. Myth 1, you need a salon treatment to grow hair. This is false. Your hair can grow naturally with the right care, tools, and nutrients. Dermarollering plus a serum is effective and natural. Myth 2, hair growth serums work instantly. This is false. It takes 4 to 6 weeks to see baby hairs. Patience and consistency are key. Myth 3, vitamins alone are enough. This is so false. Vitamins support growth from the inside, but topical care and circulation is so important. Myth 4, all dermarollers are the same. This is so false. Needle length and whether it's a real needle dermaroller is important. There are fake needle dermarollers on the market which are triangular rather than individual needles, and they are metal wheeled discs which are cheaper to manufacture than real individual needles. You can tell the difference, and using a fake needle dermaroller can cause scarring. Now you know how to dermaroller properly, avoid these mistakes and get results faster. If you want results like the women you just saw, here's what you need. You need the Hair Growth Duo, which includes the Glow Dermaroller, a 0.5mm, plus the Essence Scalp Mist, step-by-step guide to maximize results. Click the link in the description below to get your kit today. It's safe, it's natural, and everything you need to start growing your hair at home. And remember, consistency plus the right tools plus patience equals stronger, fuller, healthier hair. See you guys in the next video. Bye!